Today's question: is there something in your life that makes you forget time while you're doing it? So, is there something in your life that makes you forget time while you're doing it? Hi, I'm Viv Bannigan, and I am the founder of Growing Well, a bespoke training and mentoring company based here in the heart of London. And I help women who feel overwhelmed, lacking confidence, they want to understand better their unique landscape and their vision for the future. And we do so by sharing tools and resources such as our key framework, the map. So in this brief video, I'm asking this question because we're very much in a time about getting back into what we love. So when was the last time that you really engaged with something that really makes your heart sing, also allows you to forget time, gets you to become present? Because what we're looking at within Grown Well is female leadership, which is about making sure that we know we can think, so we have thoughts, we know we have feelings, so we know we can move, so we have choice, and that we can consciously interact with all around us while still making choices that are in the best interest of our well-being. So by getting into what we love, it's about getting out of the headspace of what we think we should be doing or what we could be doing, and rather getting into that mode of getting back to what we love doing. So allowing that energy of love to flow through us, in getting in touch with our natural unique gifts, skills and talents, and starting to build confidence in those areas. When we're moving towards those, we could become aware of limiting beliefs that hold us back, or we could be conscious of old messaging that has been passed down through the generations that kind of holds back from saying, well, you need to do such and such to survive, rather than investing time in those activities that allow us to become more grounded, become more present, improve our well-being, and show an expression of love and light that is us, and that is our natural person in terms of how we were created, so that we can create, whether that would be through writing, through training, through speaking, through sailing, or through being an accountant or a lawyer, or whether it's about creating your own business or your own family. It's about aligning into following our own consciousness in terms of knowing and intuitively being guided, so that we can follow the path that was what was set out for us, so that we can engage with those gifts. So it's good to be able to return to our heart. It's about getting back into the wisdom, our own natural wisdom. We are responsible for our experience, and as research is showing, the world of work is changing, the way we live our lives is changing, and that individuals must become more responsible for their own career path to navigate not just uncertainty, their life's journey. And so to improve well-being, it's getting into the heart of who we truly are and starting to explore and evolve our knowledge based on what is our natural interests, where we can be present, where we can enjoy life. Because when we do lose track of time doing something, it means we are being very present in the time that we are involved in that, and then we can celebrate that, we can have fun and have a lot more life and laughter. So the question for you today, using the Just Stop lesson, we have a little bit of a video now up on the website explaining the Just Stop lesson. It's about taking some time for yourself to stand back into your female energy, which is all about taking a wide perspective and starting to engage with yourself, looking at your thoughts, your feelings, how you make choices, and reflect on the following questions about, is there something in your life that does make you forget time while you're doing it? What is it? And when was the last time you engaged with that activity? And how are you going to today just make a concerted effort to engage with that activity? What excuses come up? Be mindful of that. What excuses come up? How do you hold yourself back? Because life's not well, it is a marathon, but we don't learn to run a marathon in one day. This is a journey. And so by just even making one action today towards engaging with that activity, we can then start to take more action. And when we start to take more action, we start to find more opportunity. We start to find more support. We start getting involved with more people who are going to really be able to see us and also be able to share with us their experiences, so we can evolve further, so we can all have lots more love in our lives, so that we can find more and more support. I definitely reflect on this because Even when I remember when I first did sailing, my whole fear was, well, if I go and I try this, it's so close to my heart, it's something that I've wanted to do over many, many years. But if I go down there, my fear of rejection, or just say I didn't fit in, or I got humiliated, really held me back. And it took a lot of courage to put on my big boots and just say, you know what, I'm just going to make one effort in that direction. And by making one effort in that direction, it opened an opportunity to take another step. And then when I took that step, it opened another opportunity to take more steps. Same with my intuitive knowing. It's a natural gift that I actually have. But it took a moment to be able to say, you know, stop, I need to look into this. And what can I do? And I went and I had a conversation with one person. And having that conversation with one person then allowed me to have conversations with other people, until eventually I have a group of people behind me. I have my tribe within that environment. So it started to allow me to be able to find and create a safe environment for me to be able to align to myself, to be able to show my light, to be able to enjoy my passions. While at the same time, I've got other different tribes going on for various different things, and I can manage those so that I'm always getting back to what I love. Even though some of the things that I love I may not be able to bring into another environment, I can still navigate that journey. I can still move forward with an enlightened heart and mind. I know what I need, and I start to be able to meet my needs myself. And one of my needs is to be able to be involved with those activities that I do love and with the people that I love in a way that is going to allow me to evolve and to grow. So that's my little video for today. So remember, the first person one leads is oneself, mind, body and spirit. So a few things. We have a new services tab on our webpage, so please check out www.growingwell.co.uk. If you find spelling that a bit difficult, if you just put in vivianbannigan.com, you will still come to the same website. And we are offering 2 monthly circles, one at new moon and one near full moon. So if you're interested in joining those circles, please do join. There's also more information about the MAP program, so please do register and access the free Masterclass Navigating Change with Intention. It will bring you a workbook. It will also give you more direction about the map, and it will also provide you with an opportunity to meet with me for a personal session. I am also offering personal navigation drift check sessions. These are energy reading sessions to look at the challenges and opportunities that you are facing, whether that's in your personal business, career, or in your family, about what you are dealing with within the energy. So you can book them on our services page as well. So I look forward to meeting you soon. In the meantime, have a lovely day.